Y'all seem to be loving the affiliate marketing content here on my channel. So I thought I would do a fun video where I talk you through how you actually make $100 a day with affiliate marketing, like an actual strategic plan for you to get to the point where you make $100 a day with affiliate marketing, because it's totally possible. It's just that if you've tried it and you're like, yeah, this didn't work for me, or I've been an affiliate and never made any money, you're just not doing it right. You're just not doing the right steps in the right order. So I've got you, okay? Hey, howdy, hey, what is up? My name is Jessica Stansberry, and I am pumped that you are here. I am here to help you work less, live more, and make more moolah with passive income and really freaking good marketing. So if that is something that you're interested in, hit the subscribe button, because I've got more coming for you, okay? Now listen, if you watched my last video, yes, I'm wearing the same shirt. I normally change my shirt between filming, and I'm just too lazy today. And I also really, really love this. My first love was photography, so you know, like, we're just gonna rock the Polaroid shirt. Okay, so today I'm gonna give you 5 steps to actually do the things you need to do to get to the point where you're making $100 a day with affiliate income, okay? First and foremost, this week, if you're watching this video when it goes live, on Tuesday, August 30th, I am hosting a free workshop literally titled Make 10K per month with affiliate marketing. So I'm gonna teach you all of the things you're gonna learn in today's video and more, and teach you how to actually get to that 10K per month mark with affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn more than what you're gonna learn in this video and learn like different tips and tricks that I'm not sharing anywhere else, make sure you sign up for that workshop. You can sign up at heyjessica.com/affiliates. That's heyjessica.com/affiliates, and I'll make sure it's linked below in the description too. But I'm really pumped. It's a free workshop. We're gonna have a ton of fun. Second little footnote that I wanna talk about is that when I talk about affiliate marketing, a lot of people get really hung up on this being the only part of the business. Like they're only going to make money from affiliates. But I wanna encourage you to think about what I'm gonna talk about today and incorporate it into other types of business, other types of things that you could possibly do. Yes, you can make $100 a day with affiliate marketing by itself, absolutely, and I'm gonna talk you through that. But what if you incorporated affiliate marketing into your online course that you already have, or into the digital products that you already create, or into the service that you already perform, or into the business that you already run? Like, what if you incorporated affiliate marketing into the things you're already doing? Wouldn't that make it easier? I would think so. So I just want to put that little bug in your ear. So again, 5 steps to get you to $100 a day with affiliate marketing. And step 1 is probably the most important, but also the most looked over. And when I comb through my comments on videos about affiliate marketing, or I get DMs from people about affiliate marketing videos that I do on Instagram, this is always the first question I ask them, and they never have an answer. And so step 1 to getting to $100 a day with affiliate marketing is nailing down your audience or the niche that you're trying to go after. So I'm just gonna read you an actual message I got from somebody, okay? He says, "Hey Jessica, I just watched your recent video on affiliate marketing and I really wanna do it. One question I have is what monthly subscription affiliate programs would you recommend for me to do as a beginner?" Which is a valid question, because that's one of the ways I said to make more money with affiliate marketing. But I said, well, it depends on your audience. Who is your audience? And he said, I don't have one. You can't sign up for affiliate programs and promote affiliate things without knowing who's on the other side of the content you're creating to promote these things, right? And let me just explain that a little bit more, because I really need you to understand that. With affiliate marketing, you have to be creating content of some sort. Paid ads, videos, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, like you have to be creating content somewhere on the internet for people to be able to even find your links. Like that's just part of it, okay? And so in order to know what types of affiliates to sign up for, affiliates to promote, and content to create, you have to know who you're talking to. Otherwise, you're just throwing spaghetti at the wall and nobody's ever going to care what you have to say, because they don't see you as an expert or someone they want to look up to in this industry. So if I'm just like, oh yeah, I want to start with affiliate marketing, and I just start randomly throwing out stuff, like here's a blog post about my Stanley Cup, or here's a blog post about what beauty things I love, or here's a blog post about how to potty train your kid, or here's a blog post about how to be a YouTuber. And I just like randomly start throwing stuff out in the world. I'm not attracting anybody. I'm just throwing content out, and of course nobody's gonna find my links if that's the case, because I'm all over the place. And now we'll talk more about creating content to attract your people in a minute, but you have to know who your people are. Who do you want to attract? What audience do you want to go after? What niche do you want to go after in your business? Because affiliate marketing, regardless of how you think of it, is a business or is incorporated into a business regardless. Second step to making $100 a day with affiliate marketing is to find good paying affiliate programs. This can happen in a multitude of ways. One, you can find companies like he just asked questions about, like I've talked about in my affiliate videos before, companies that are usually software companies or SaaS companies that charge the user a monthly fee, and their affiliate program then gives their affiliates a percentage of that monthly fee. That would be a great place to start to find a good paying affiliate. Because if you think of it from like a math perspective, let's say you sign somebody up for a service and you get $10 per month for that person who signed up from that company as an affiliate commission. And you want to get to $100 a day, you can easily do that by selling that service to 300 people. So then you're making about $3,000 a month from 300 people making you $10 a piece through this service, and that comes out to the same math as about $100 a day. So finding a service that pays a recurring commission is a really great place to start when it comes to finding good paying affiliates. A secondary thing you want to think about is if you're promoting larger priced items. This laptop I've got here, Homeboy was, almost $4,000, maybe was $4,000, I don't remember. But expensive, right? If I am someone who really wants to get to that $100 a day with affiliate marketing, then maybe I am creating most of my content around things that have a higher price point. Therefore, my commission percentage, even if it's the same percentage, is higher. So example, let's say that I am using Amazon as my affiliate platform that I want to promote these things on. Let's just say across the board they give me 10%. That is not what they give because Amazon's commissions are crap. But let's just say across the board they give me 10%. I'm doing math, by the way. Then let's say that I'm promoting this webcam and it is $60. So 10% of that is going to be $6. And then let's say again, for the purposes of this video, that you can go buy this laptop on Amazon and it is $4,000. And so my commission with that is $400 on that same 10%. So why would I not promote this more than I promote this? Because I'm making $6 here and $400 with that laptop every time someone makes a sale. It could be that you really niche yourself into this more expensive thing. Tech YouTubers are a great example of this. There are people who are creating content around largely priced tech and attracting people who love tech or who are needing those types of things, therefore making more of an affiliate commission because what they're promoting is higher priced. The third way I would tell you to find like really good paying affiliates is to go after people who have higher percentage commission payouts. So again, on Amazon, you're getting anywhere from like 1 to 10% on anything you promote, and it's very, very little. But maybe you go directly through the company for what you're wanting to promote and they offer 20% commissions. Or you are trying to decide whether to promote this water bottle or another water bottle, and you like them both equally, but this one's commission is 30% on the same price and this one's commission is 5%, then you might go with that one. So my point here is to find good paying affiliates that either pay you recurring commission, are higher priced items so the commission is higher than if you're promoting lower priced items, and or find affiliates that are going to pay higher percentage commissions. But either way, find a good paying affiliate. That's step number 2. Oh, and I might have used language in that section like saying like find a good paying affiliate. Find a ton of them. You don't have to just affiliate for one thing. I'm just saying like that's the kind of the criteria. All right, this next step is the most important. No, I've said that about all of them. Next step is really important. Step number 3 to making $100 a day with affiliate income is to actually create content that attracts that audience and niche that we discovered in step 1. I've alluded to this throughout this entire video, but I'll just go ahead and flat out say it right here so there's no questions. You will not make $100 a day with affiliate marketing. You will not make $1 a day with affiliate marketing if you are not putting some type of content on the internet to attract your audience and your niche. You won't make it. Like, it will not happen. Just because you sign up to be an affiliate, how's anybody gonna know if you're not creating content to tell them? The thing about it is we have to create content that attracts the people we want, and then we can integrate those affiliate links, which is going to be step number 4. So ignore that I just said that because we'll go into more depth there in a minute. But we have to be creating content to get in front of the audience who cares about the things we affiliate for. Let me give you an example. For the last month or so, I have been trying to be more active on TikTok. Now, I don't know how I feel about TikTok yet. I have very mixed feelings. I don't love it. It is not my preferred platform by any means, but I've been trying to be more active. I just want to see what the platform has to offer, you know. And so for the last month, my content creation has been trying to attract the audience that is people who are interested in passive income in some way, mostly online business owners, content creators, that type of thing, who want to create online courses, digital products, and affiliate marketing. So people who are really interested in passive income and looking at running a business, right? So I have done content that attracts them, and I have grown my account on TikTok from 3,000 followers to 24,000 in the last month. So I have done the work to attract the people for the last month. Yesterday, I put up a TikTok that is really just a video of me talking about all of the softwares, like they're showing behind me. And I'm talking about all of the softwares that I use in my business. And I broke them down into sections like, here's what we use to create content. Here's what we use to make sales. Here's what we use to do general admin in the business. And so I'm just talking through what I'm using, blah, blah, blah. That video has done really, really, really well. In the video, I mention that links to all of these things are in my bio under a certain heading in the link in my bio. So now, if I am talking about how I love FG funnels and that is how I make my sales pages and my checkout pages and blah, 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 and somebody is watching this and they're like, oh my gosh, what is FG funnels? I need to figure that out. They go to the link in my bio. They click on the FG funnels thing. And now if they sign up, I make a commission because I created the content that was attracting them for a month straight. And now I have built trust with them here on YouTube. I've created content since 2016 on the platform. So, we're at the 6-year point at this point. So now if I slide in an affiliate link or if I talk about something, y'all trust that I am not going to promote something that I don't actually use. Same thing on Instagram. So now that I've done the work, I've laid the foundation of attracting, creating content to attract the audience in the niche, then I can continue promoting my affiliate links, which is what we'll talk about in a second. Hands down, create content that attracts your audience and your niche. That does not mean constantly promoting your affiliate links in everything you're doing or only being super salesy. It means create content that attracts your audience and your niche. That's it. Create that content. Now, again, we're going to talk about how to integrate affiliate links with your content as step number 4. But before I do that, I just want to remind you, if you forgot to go sign up for the Make 10K per month from affiliate marketing workshop that I'm doing this week, make sure you do that at heyjessica.com/affiliates, and I will have it linked below. Step number 4. You have nailed down your audience and your niche. You have found affiliates. You are now creating content to attract that audience and your niche. Step number 4 is to integrate your affiliate links with your content. I would recommend that only about 20% of the content you create on any platform is salesy in some way. Only about 20%. 80% needs to be cultivating. 80% needs to be getting people to you, getting people to know you, to like you, to trust you. And only 20% needs to be actually asking for the sale or pointing towards an affiliate link or pointing towards a product or whatever. Because if you make that ratio different or you try and do more than about 20%, people are going to start feeling as if you're inauthentic. They're not going to watch your content as much. Therefore, your content's going to die. Therefore, less people see your affiliate links. So when we're talking about integrating your affiliate links, I really want you to do some passive integration, which would be putting it in the description of every one of your YouTube videos, putting it in the links in your bio so that if somebody goes there actively, they have the opportunity to click your links, putting it in highlight bubbles on your Instagram stories, just some really passive ways to integrate affiliate links into your content so that if someone is watching your content and wants to go click your affiliate links, it's available to them. So for instance, every last one of my YouTube videos has my filming equipment linked below in the description. Not only does it have my filming equipment, but it also has systems and softwares that I love and just some different things that I want y'all to have the links to on any given video. But I never am oh, by the way, all of my links to what I'm filming with are in my description. No, I'm never like that because that is a very passive affiliate link integration that I want to keep passive because what happens naturally is that if someone is watching one of my videos and they're like, man, I like the quality of her videos, I wonder what she uses to film, they're naturally going to look in my description. And if they don't, they will ask a comment. And if the comment is like, hey, what do you film on? I will be like, hey, the link is in the description of the video. So it makes it a really passive way for people to be able to find your affiliate links without you actively trying to like sell to them in the content. Other 20% of the time though, you want to actively promote your affiliate links. That is something like that TikTok video I just explained where I was like, these are all the tools and systems that I use in my business. They're all linked in my bio. I'm actively promoting those without being like, hey, go sign up for ClickUp. I get 20% of your whatever. I don't know what I get from ClickUp, but that's not what I'm doing. I'm still making it valuable, useful information for them, but there's affiliate links actively integrated in that content. Examples of that here on YouTube are when I make videos about ClickUp specifically, where I'm talking about ClickUp and I want y'all to go know how awesome it is. And I put the link in the description, but I also audibly tell you, if you want to sign up for ClickUp, here's my link. That is a good example. Another great example is when you see creators here on the platform do like a what's in my bag or what's on my desk or office tour kind of video. They are specifically helping you and showing you things that are going to help you progress in whatever you're trying to do, but they're also integrating actively affiliate links into that content. You know your audience, you know what kind of affiliate products and services they would like and that you want to help them find and discover and love. You're going to create content for them to find you so that they know who you are, they trust you, they like you, and then you're going to naturally integrate affiliate links into your content, either passively or actively. That is how you get to $100 a day or more in affiliate income. Speaking of that video on TikTok where I shared all the systems that I use and blah, 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 someone asked what I was paying monthly for all of those systems. And I did do like a follow-up video with that comment. And I was like, well, I don't really know, nor do I care to go look. However, I'm constantly doing like system audits and figuring out what I need, what I don't need, blah, blah, blah. But what I said in that video that is really important is that I am not actually paying that much for these systems and softwares because they are things that I actually use in my business and then I become an affiliate for, and then I will do things like create content around them or passively put them in my content and I make an affiliate commission from them. So when it comes to like a long list of systems and softwares I use, you could add up all day long what those cost me per month, but I guarantee that I am making more than that in affiliate revenue from that entire list too. So affiliate marketing is just really great all around because it can help you offset costs. It can help you add an income stream to an existing business. It can help you increase the cart value or the value of a customer throughout your process. It can help you add some flair to the content you're already creating. It is awesome and I highly, highly recommend it. And if you want to learn more than what we talked about today, go way more in depth and really talk through how you're going to get to 10K months with affiliate marketing, I want you to sign up for my free workshop. Please don't forget, it's going down in just a few days if you're watching this live. If you're not watching it live, I'm sorry, but you can just go to heyjessica.com/affiliates, sign up for that, and then we will hang out together on this workshop and you'll learn all the things about affiliate marketing and getting even more than $100 a day, because $100 a day comes out to about 3K per month. And I am going to teach you how to upgrade that and get it to 10K per month in this workshop. So again, heyjessica.com/affiliates. It's going down on Tuesday, August 30th. And all the details are on the page once you click the link. All right, I'm done. Bye y'all.